All right, guys. Google Wallet. They said they want you to put everything in your phone, and this is something new. It's about to launch, and it's available, but it's almost available for everything. Okay, so just keep that in mind. And they're saying Google Wallet is preparing to launch a new feature that allows users to turn a physical document into a pass within the app after announcing that they were going to do this earlier on in the year. Now, they're saying that one of the new announcements around Android was support for digital text passes with Google Wallet. And the idea was to scan various documents, physical documents that I'm talking about, into the Wallet app. So right now you can currently scan your loyalty cards, you can scan your driver's license, your boarding pass, and maybe one or two other your tickets, your concert tickets. But now they're saying that you can scan physical documents, all right? And they're saying the idea is to allow the documents that may not officially support Google Wallet be stored within the app. And examples include where insurance documents, membership cards, or even event tickets that don't support Google Wallet. All right, so that's what they're saying that they want you to be able to have access to do. All right, so there it is in the fine print so you can see it. They're saying that these are the different types of documents that you should be able to scan in there. And this could be anything from your passport, your resident permit, student ID, tax ID card, vehicle registration, your voter ID card, library card, health insurance card, car insurance, business cards, and anything else. Now they're saying they have a screenshot below, and they're saying that a number of categories appear to have been limited to by the document by being scanned. So basically, it would come in as other, but then you would just go in and you would just change it to the title that you want. Now, they say a photo of the original pass is stored alongside the digital creation, as well as a disclaimer quote, which directly says it is not the official or a replacement for the physical copy. So even though it's not the physical copy, or it is not the even though it's not the official document, you can still use this because sometimes somebody might say, hey, let me just see your car insurance. As long as it checks out, you're all right. Now, in Georgia and in Arizona, you can use your driver's license, which is legal, but you can't use it if you get pulled over by the police, but you could use it at the airport. So what if you leave your driver's license at home? Instead of you getting a ticket for that, the police officer might be lenient because you have your driver's license number on your phone. Because how many people know their actual driver's license number, right? What about your health insurance card? You can't find your health insurance card. You might be in a situation where you need that health insurance card, and then you go from there, and at least you know the number. They can call whoever they need to call to verify that you are who you are, and then you're good to go. Now, they're saying that the utility of creating these digital copies is probably limited. Google Wallet is slowly getting support for driver's license and passports in line with government regulations, but it's hard to say where these digital counterparts would be useful beyond just having easier access to the numbers and the information contained on them. So that's really what it is. If you need access and you can't find something and you need it right then and there, at least you have the numbers. Even though it's not the official document, you have something there, right? It's not live yet, so it's called support for everything else. Passes is in Google Wallet, and it's not yet live in the latest version, but it's working once manually enabled. So if you manually go in there and do it, it'll work. But if you're looking for it to just show automatically, it's not going to do that. All right. So they said that support for Google Wallet notification rolled out in June, and basically we're here. So the question is, what do you think about it? Let me know your thoughts. Can you see yourself putting your ID, your health insurance card, or any other important documents inside of your phone? Because your phone goes everywhere you go, right? But would you be willing to put your personal documents inside of your phone? Let me know your comments. Let me know your thoughts. And,
That actually means the police won't shoot you.
yeah. So here's the funny thing, Revis. If you look at the thumbnail for today's show, right? The thumbnail for today's show, that was created through Midjourney, which is an AI generated image. But I said, give me a woman in a car accident, giving her phone to the police officer to indicate using Google Wallet, right? That was the purpose. So it's not all fun and games. What if you are in a situation and you can't find your insurance card? It's already backed up into your phone. Does that make sense?
Makes a lot of sense.
So, I mean, some people are saying, I don't trust it. I don't know if I want to do it. But when you need it at that time of need, you got your phone. You know where your phone is. You just got to remember your password. But if you can go into Google Wallet and unlock it, you're good to go, right? That's all I'm saying about having the access to Google Wallet, having your important documents when it's a time of need. Because no one has time to say, well, the insurance card is on the table and I don't know exactly where it's at. You get what I'm saying?
Yep.
All right, so that's what's up. It's the Lab Tech Show. Join us Wednesdays at 8 p.m. Eastern at thelabtechshow.com. Embrace it or get left behind.
Alrighty then.